In this video, I will show you step by step how you can show what PS5 game you are playing on your Discord account. So what we need to do is we need to go to the top right hand corner, go over to settings. Once we select settings, go to users and accounts. And then from here, you can go down to linked services. And then there's different options here, but obviously we need Discord in today's video. And what you want to do now is you can read through this bit of information if you want to do that, and then click on link. Now, once we click on link, you will then get this page. So what I will do is I'll just show you on my mobile phone what you need to do now, right? So obviously if I open this up right here, so here is my mobile, right? I'm just going to open up the camera and then I'm simply going to scan the QR code. Now, once you do this, if I just focus in on my phone, what you will notice is that my phone will now come up with Discord, and then you can then simply click on authorize at the bottom on the bottom button there. And then once we select authorize, every time you play a game, your Discord friends will be able to see what game you're playing and whenever you're online. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.